Hello friends, and welcome to Sassy Kate and Ren. Today we're making Santa's spicy thumbprint cookies. Cheesy cookies are bejeweled with hot pepper jelly to make Santa forgive any naughty girl or boy. Let's make this. In a food processor, pulse together butter and all 3 cheeses until smooth. Add the egg yolk and spices, then mix well. Add the flour and pulse until a soft dough forms. Roll 1-inch cookies into balls and place on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Hold each cookie so it is stable, and then press your thumb in vertically so you make an indent in the center of each. You want your thumb to go down about 3/4 of the way of the cookie, but don't go through the cookie. Refrigerate the cookies for half an hour, then bake them in a 350-degree oven for 18 minutes or until they are firm and golden. Let cool on a baking rack. Fill each cookie with a generous teaspoon of pepper jelly and serve.